This is Natalie from NellieDesign.com. First off, Merry Christmas! Yay! It's the last day of the 12 Christmas Craft Challenge, and today I'm asking you, you have a resolution for the New Year's? I bet you do. So I have the perfect SVG file for you to make, and so each time you'll see it, you remember not to give up. Don't give up. So you can put it wherever you want. In my case, I'm going to put it in my mug, on my coffee mug. So each morning I will see it and remember not to give up.
Okay, so in Cricut Design Space, you're going to upload your image and browse and go get it where you previously saved it from Nellie Design's library. And you see I have two English quotes, so you're going to import them. Then first thing to do when you have my file is always ungroup. You can close the eye of one quote and keep the one you want. Then since my cup is 3 inches wide, I will scale the quote to 3 inches. And I'm changing colors because the color I have is blue and black. So I want to try to see how it looks like. And then my little tip for you is to draw a triangle. So you duplicate the triangle, and then you're going to select both of them and do align and center. Now place it on the edge of the words, and you're going to select everything that is blue with one triangle and attach it. Now you see you can't attach it. Why? It's because it's already grouped. You need to ungroup before attaching something. So you're going to select again all the blue with one triangle and attach, and then select the other words with another triangle and attach. Now I want this blue, I'm just changing it back to blue. So what happens is then when you hit make it, you'll see that they are in 2 separate sheets with each one triangle. So once everything is cut, it's time to weed. I'm gonna cut a piece of transfer paper. I'm trying to measure it to cut the smallest size possible. I like to save paper like that. So this was Oracle 651, the black one. It was so easy to remove. That was really magical. And the other one, the turquoise one, the teal one, it was Cricut permanent vinyl. It was really harder to remove. Everything wanted to come with the paper, but maybe it's just I should have put more pressure on it. Maybe this one needed more pressure. So it took me a way longer time to weed because I needed to hold on all the letters while I was pulling on the paper. So like you guessed, probably the triangles are going to be your guides to attach the letters together. With the transfer paper, we're going to put the first word and rub hard. Now I use the backing of the transfer paper so it doesn't stick everywhere. You should really do the same thing. Now you're going to align both triangles. Don't just put your fingers beneath and make sure other letters don't stick, just the triangle. So when you align both triangles, put your words on the backing of the transfer sheet and press on the transfer paper. Make sure the words don't stick to your mat. And there you have, the 2 words are stick together. You can remove the triangle, you don't need it anymore. Now what I'm going to do, I'm going to cut a piece of the transfer paper, remove it, and I'm going to put back the backing of the transfer paper. Don't forget to clean your cup with rubbing alcohol. And this little dent I'm making, it's because the cup is round, so you may adjust yourself depending on the size and the shape of your cup. So the best thing I found is that I'm going to be removing the backing on the right first, just like that. I'm going to be cutting it so And please don't let it go like I did, because that's exactly what I shouldn't have done. I just lost my pee, so I had to pick it up, but that's okay. It happens. So I'm gonna do the same thing with the left side, but this time I won't let it go. So everything is sticking perfectly, and so you rub and you remove your transfer paper, and I'm gonna be putting back my pee. Lucky me, it did work. So don't forget, don't put it in the dishwasher yet. You need to at least let it cure for at least 3 days.
So that's it, guys, for the 12 Christmas Craft Challenge. From now on, we're going to see each other each Friday. So I hope you have a very Merry Christmas and a Happy New Year. See you soon. Bye.